Hi, I'm Natalie Garcia, Master Instructor with Balanced Body, and I'm here with Hero. We're going to be doing a quick series for you today on the EXO Chair, doing some footwork. So I'm going to hand you this ring and have you go ahead and bring your heels up on the pedal, maybe just a touch narrower than hip width apart. And we're going to scoot towards the front half of the chair because it's going to help him be able to keep his pelvis stable. So let's draw that ring in close to the chest with elbows wide and just take a little bit of a pelvic rock for me. So just rock your pelvis forward and back just to kind of help you find that nice middle neutral where we've got abs and back both working together to hold. So let's land in the middle and feel that nice low ab engagement. And then let's exhale, squeeze the ring as you press the pedal down. And then inhale, let it come back up. Good. We'll continue that movement. Just a really nice place to move your footwork to a different apparatus in order to challenge the stability of the pelvis and for you to be able to see where the body travels with the movement. So he's working hard to keep your ribs back here and that tailbone heavy so the pelvis doesn't tip when the legs press down. And let's hold those knees up to 90 on this next one and extend your arms straight out away. We're going to go ahead and take an inhale here. On your exhale as you press, let's raise those arms overhead. So press the pedal, arms go up, and then inhale back down. We're specifically looking at the ribs here as well as the pelvis, but often when we raise our hands, those ribs want to travel forward. So I want to watch that the ribs stay connected back as those arms lift and then lower back down. Good job. Exhale, really squeezing in. Yep, kind of imagining he's resting against a wall with the back here. Let's hold on this next one as the hands come in front, still stabilizing the lower half. Let's exhale, press and rotate towards me. So the spine is going to rotate. Inhale, move back through the middle, and we'll alternate to the other side. So it gives you a good place to look at the pelvis and the knees. When he turns, if you'll hold here for a moment, ideally the knees are still mostly level. Oftentimes that hip's going to want to turn with you. So keep that knee forward, even if it means less rotation. Take a breath, inhale, we'll go to that other side. Same thing, watch for that hip that wants to rotate back and you can keep a little extra reach forward. Come back through the middle. Let's do one more each side. Nice job. Yes, good work trying to keep that hip closed. Let's come back up to center and let's take an inhale, lift your arms up overhead. Yes, and on your exhale, as you press the pedal, I want you to lower the bar in front or the ring in front and scoop your abdominals, pulling back just slightly. Nice job. Inhale, lifting back, trying to go to neutral here, and then exhale, scooping back. Nice work. Inhale up. Exhale, just adding a little bit of mobility through the spine. It's always really nice to play with both the stability and the mobility of an area. Good. Take a breath. Let's inhale to the top. Take a slight left rotation here with your torso. Stay up in the middle for me. Yes, good. Come back up through center, keeping yourself rotated. So turn to that left side, arms up. Let's lift the pedal up here. Good. Now, as you press the pedal, I want you to lower the bar down, lower that ring down and scoop your abdominals. Lean back, scoop, scoop, scoop. Good. Inhale back through the center, turn to me. So we'll go to that other side. Exhale, press and scoop. So just a little bit more of an oblique flexion here, still challenging that stability here of the pelvis and the knees. So we can have something to really reach into here. And then that scooping back. Nicely done. And that scoop. Let's come back through the middle. Lower those arms back down in front. Yes. I'm going to take this ring out for a moment and I'm going to have you just go ahead and get a little bit of extension here. So from the seated position, let's open those arms out to the side. Let the knees lift here for me. Yeah, so you can really we're mostly looking for that extension in that upper back. And now as you press, let's round and hug front, getting a nice stretch through the whole back and that flexion lift. And let's inhale, open. And then let's exhale, round that back as your arms hug back around to the front. You got it. And all the way back up. Nice. And this time let's stack tall and let's just leave those arms floated right up in front of you. Watching the pelvis here specifically now, let's just use that split pedal and alternate that leg press right then left. Good, and ideally keeping that weight nice and even right to left. And we can play with speed here, slowing down or speeding up. You got it. Let's keep that walk happening and slide your hands behind the head. I'm going to add just a touch of coordination. So as the hands come back, we're watching that the ribs stay connected. I want you to give me a 2 count side bend right. So right, left. Good job. Back to tall. and then that other side. So really using this position to not only get everything warmed up with footwork, but also add in that spinal mobility as well. One more time to that left. And then let's come to tall. Let's relax, bring that pedal back up and bring the arms down. And thanks for watching this balanced body video.